Now, subsets of set of real numbers. That's the topic. Okay. Now you have to learn a few terms. This we first படிச்சிட்டோம். But what is my t? T is going to be set of all irrational number. What are the irrational numbers? Root 2, root 3. இந்த மாதிரி இருக்கிறதெல்லாம் irrational numbers. The numbers which are all not rational. Okay. So this is my t. N, Z, Q. N and a natural number. Z is going to be my integer. Q is going to be fractions, rational numbers. Okay, p by q form where q is not equal to 0. So in that you have to know some subset relations. Natural numbers enna 1, 2, 3, 4. Integers enna -1, -2, -3, 0, 1, 2, 3. So I see that natural numbers are a subset of integers. Integers la irundhu da natural numbers derive aayirukku. And q என்னது? q is going to be my rational numbers. So rational numbers என்னலாம் இருக்கு? 1 by 2, 2 by 2, 3 by 2, 4 by 2. 2 by 2 என்ன? 1. 4 by 2 என்ன? 2. So I see that rational numbers லேந்து தான் integers வந்திருக்கு. Integers லேந்து தான் natural numbers வந்திருக்கு. So rational numbers, from that we have derived integers, from that we have derived natural numbers. So which means natural numbers are a subset of integers and integers are a subset of rational numbers. Okay. அதே மாதிரி you should also know rational numbers are a subset of real numbers. Everything is a subset of real number. Real number தான் வந்து ஒரு whole universal set மாதிரி. அதுல தான் எல்லாமே இருக்கு. Integer இருக்கு, natural number இருக்கு, real number irrational number இருக்கு, integers, whole numbers, everything includes inside the real number. Okay. And irrational numbers are also a part of real number. அதுதான் இங்க கொடுத்திருக்கு. Natural number is not a part of t. Why? t என்னது? t is going to be root 2, root 3, root 4 அப்படி இருக்க போகுது. Natural number is going to be 1, 2, 3 and 4. So this is not a subset. Okay. You have to understand these few terminologies. இது வந்து subset of set of real numbers. Next topic என்ன? Intervals as subsets of R. இப்போ intervals எப்படி எழுதுறது நம்ம கத்துக்க போறோம். Okay. You guys know this very well, but I'll teach you. Okay. So இப்போ இந்த இடத்துல I have a line. I see that there is a hollow circle. இந்த மாதிரி hollow circle இருந்ததுன்னா it means A, B, where A and B are not included. So for example, if I have the numbers 1, 4, the values which are between 1 and 4 are included, but 1 and 4 are not included. So அப்ப நம்ம எப்படி எழுதுவோம்? We'll write it within circular brackets. Okay, circular brackets போட்டா it means these two ends are not included. These two ends are not included when you put a circular bracket. Okay, இப்போ next என்ன கொடுத்திருக்கு? Next I have a line where I have two darkly shaded lines. அப்படின்னா அர்த்தம் A and B both are included. So I'll write square bracket. Square brackets is for values which are included. So when I write 1, 4 inside square brackets, it means I have all the values which are between 1 and 4 and also 1 and 4. Okay, 1 and 4 are included. So இப்போ இந்த இடத்துல இது எப்படி எழுதுவோம்? I have a line. I have a shaded part here. I do not have a shaded part here. So it is going to be A is included, but B is not included. Okay, இதோட example எப்படி இருக்கும்? 1, 4 எடுத்தா I'll have 1, 2, 3, but 4 is not included. So அதே மாதிரி இந்த கேஸ்ல I have a line. I have hollow here. Here it is shaded. So I'll have hollow na it is not included. Shaded na it is included. So when I take an example, I have 1, 4, which means I have the values 1 கிடையாது. I have 2, 3 and 4. Okay. So you have to understand that square brackets are for values which are included. Square values வந்து shaded region. Circular brackets for hollow circles. They are not included. Okay. Not included. Inge included. Okay. Please understand the meaning. You have examples and exercise questions dealing with this. Okay. Next comes the power set. இப்போ பவர் செட்னா என்ன? இவ்வளோ நேரம் நம்ம சப்செட் படித்தோம். பவர் செட் என்ன? கன்சிடர் தி செட் 1, 2. ஓகே, லெட் அஸ் ரைட் டவுன் ஆல் த சப்செட்ஸ் ஆஃப் 1, 2. என்னென்ன சப்செட்ஸ் இருக்கு 1, 2க்கு? யூ ஹாவ் டு லேர்ன் ஹவு டு ரைட் சப்செட்ஸ். இப்போ 1, 2 இருக்கு. த சப்செட்ஸ் ஆஃப் 1, 2 ஆர் கோயிங் டு பி, remember that null set is a subset of any given set. So இப்போ இங்க என்ன இருக்கு? null set இருக்கு, 1 இருக்கு, 2 இருக்கு, then I have 1, 2. So these are all going to be my subsets. Okay, this has to be in between curly brackets. 1, 2 within curly brackets. If a power set in a power set is going to be what is given here. So 5 is a subset of 1, 2. We see that 1 and 2 are also subsets of 1, 2. We know that every set is a subset of itself. கரெக்டா? So 5 இருக்கு. 1 is a subset of 1, 2. 2 is a subset of 1, 2. 1, 2 is also a subset of 1, 2. கரெக்டா? So thus the set 1, 2 in total has 4 subsets. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay? So now what is the power set? The set of all these subsets is called the power set. Set of all these subsets. Set of na நம்ம என்ன பண்ணுவோம்? Curly brackets போடுவோம். Set of all these subsets 5, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, you have to put a curly brackets here also. I see that 1 is a subset of 1, 2. Correct? I also know 2 is a subset of 1, 2. அப்புறம் 1, 2 is a subset of 1, 2. Equal sets are subsets of each other. படிச்சோமா? Then null set is also a subset of 1, 2. அதுதான் எழுதிருக்கோம். 5, 1, 2, 1, 2. So this is called the power set. Power set is going to be the set of all. Set of all na இந்த மாதிரி curly braces. Set of all subsets. All the subsets inside the curly brackets. Okay, so this is going to be my power set. So இதோட definition என்ன கொடுத்திருக்கு? If a set A has to be a subset of B, every element is also an element of B. நமக்கு subset na என்னன்னு தெரியும். A is a subset of B only if and only if A belongs to A and A belongs to B. இந்த reasonலாம் நம்ம படிச்சிட்டோம். So we have A is a subset of B if A is an element of, implies that A is also an element of B. Okay, so இப்போ power set நமக்கு எழுத தெரிஞ்சு போச்சு. You have to write what the subsets of the given set are and the subsets are set of all elements. ஒரு செட்டா நம்ம போட்டு எழுதணும். Okay, so let us do some example questions. You will understand this. Now, what is a universal set? இவ்வளோ நேரம் நான் universalனு சொல்லிட்டு இருக்கேன். So when it comes to number, real numbers is the universal set for everything. Real numbers லேந்து தான். From real numbers, I have natural numbers, I have integers, I have irrational numbers, I have rational numbers, I have whole numbers. So real number is a universal set for everything. So natural number is a subset of real number. Integer is a subset of real number. Irrational number is a subset of real number. Rational number is a subset of real number. Whole number is a subset of real number. So everything that you come across is a subset of real number. So the real number is going to be your universal set. So இங்க என்ன கொடுத்திருக்கு? For example, for all sets of integers, universal set can be rational numbers. No matter, for the matter, the set R of rational number. For another example, in human population studies, the universal set consists of all people in the world. இப்போ நம்ம numbers வச்சு பார்க்குறோம். நமக்கு யார் universal set? All the people in the world. All the people in the world la நம்மளும் ஒருத்தர். I am a female. You have a lot of people, but they are all your universal set. நம்ம அதில் ஒரு part. கரெக்டா? So we are all a part of the universal set. Universal set na enna எல்லாத்துக்குமே காமனா ஒன்று இருக்கிறது. Okay.